Want to boost your Madden team's overall rating for cheap? I got you. Let's do this. So your team's stacked, but the overall rating just isn't hitting right? Let's fix that.
Greetings, humans. It's the petty algorithm, reporting in because y'all still don't know this trick. Don't worry, I'll teach you, and you'll just pretend you knew the whole time. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, get out of your lineup screen and find the team strategy item card. You know the one. It's that lonely card sitting right next to your playbooks. Go ahead, highlight it.
All right, press triangle on PlayStation or Y if you're an Xbox. Let's go.
Now we're heading over to the Upgrades tab. Yeah, the one you've probably ignored since day one. So just hit R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to slide right over. And there we go. Congratulations, we're finally doing science. Welcome to the lab. See that first empty slot? Choose it. We're about to unlock some new chemistry. And get this, it only costs 5 training points. That is it. Seriously. Boom. You've just unlocked a new chemistry option. Small cost, big brain move. Okay, go ahead and select the upgrade, but listen up, this next part is super important. I mean it. Absolutely no physical boosts. Do not touch speed, strength, or acceleration. IQ work only. You want to go for stats like zone coverage, play recognition, or whatever your theme team's lacking. Once you apply it, that chemistry ripples across your entire roster. Every single player gets the boost. And just like that, your players are smarter, sharper, and yeah, slightly less embarrassing. You're welcome. All right, that's a wrap. Now run it back, screenshot that new overall, and tag me so I can pretend I'm impressed.